Imagine a country where over 22 official languages, each with its own script, are spoken. This is the reality in India, a vibrant multilingual hub. Now consider the challenge of designing user interfaces for this diverse linguistic landscape. It's not a simple task, but with the right considerations, it's entirely achievable. The first step is to ensure that the interface supports the Unicode standard. This is a universal standard for text representation, essential for the accurate rendering of various Indian scripts, from Devanagari to Tamil, Bengali, and Telugu. However, it's not enough to simply support these languages. The diversity of language in India means that users will want to interact with interfaces in their native languages, not just the dominant ones. The interface should cater to this, accommodating varying script directions, whether left to right, right to left, or top to bottom. The choice of fonts is also crucial. Fonts should be readable, aesthetically pleasing, and compatible across platforms. They should be selected carefully for each specific Indian script. Input methods are another key consideration. Users should be able to enter text easily in their preferred script, whether through on-screen keyboards, transliteration, or handwriting recognition. The interface should also handle complex character variations and ligatures common in Indian scripts to display text accurately. But language is not just about scripts and characters, it's also about content. Content should be culturally and regionally relevant, reflecting language preferences, dialects, and idiomatic expressions. Icons and imagery should also be culturally appropriate, avoiding stereotypes. Localization is another important aspect. The interface should be translated and localized for specific regions within India, each with its own cultural and linguistic preferences. User testing is vital. Feedback from native speakers of the target languages can provide invaluable insights into usability, readability, and overall user experience. With the rise of voice interfaces, consider incorporating speech recognition and text-to-speech technologies for Indian languages. And always remember to design the interface to be lightweight and optimized for slower connections, considering the bandwidth and data constraints in some areas. Government regulations or standards related to the use of Indian languages on digital platforms should also be taken into account, particularly for public sector interfaces. And last but not least, accessibility is key. The interface should be accessible to all, including those with disabilities, supporting screen readers and other assistive technologies in Indian languages. Designing interfaces for Indian languages is a complex task, but it's a path to inclusivity and user-friendliness. By understanding the linguistic and cultural nuances of different languages and regions, designers can create interfaces that truly resonate with Indian audiences.